Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to view recently added friends on Snapchat. So if you've added somebody recently and you want to see a list of those people within a short period of time, I'm going to show you how you can do that on your device today. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and tap on these three little dots here in the top right corner of basically any page on Snapchat. Typically, you're going to see that on the conversation page. So go ahead and tap on that, and then go ahead and tap on these three little dots here. And then you're going to see an option for manage friendships. So go ahead and tap on that. And then we're going to go ahead and tap on these three dots in the top right corner one more time. And you're going to see that the option changes there to recently added by me. So go ahead and tap that. And now you're going to see all the friends that you yourself have recently added on Snapchat. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. And if so, feel free to give me a like on this video. And thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.